Look at this sludge. That's a bolt missing right there.
Yeah, so we found this in the engine. We're gonna keep it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is actually part 3 of the E46 M3 build. In this video, we're gonna be tearing apart the engine and finding out what exactly is wrong with it, because it was making some rod bearing noise. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get to today. So let's start tearing it apart. As you can see, Gregory over here is already putting it on the engine stand.
Yeah.
So we can take it off the hoist.
It's almost like we never left part 2.
Yeah, it is almost like we never left part 2, huh? It's weird.
Hold up.
Bada bing, bada boom.
As long as it holds it, that's it.
Perfect. It's on the stand now. Alright guys, we got this place all cleaned up. We're gonna throw the subframe back on and the wheels and put the car on the ground and push it outside, so we have a lot of room to work with here. Engine is already on the engine stand over here. We can just pull it straight up.
Yeah, what are you guys trying to do, bro?
We got the whole crew here helping. It takes this many people to disassemble an engine. We got the car pushed out. Now we're gonna start disassembling the engine. See what's up with it.
Man, come help, bro.
Don't bump into this table. I tried to look at you. You know why I looked at you. You know exactly why I looked at you.
That was kind of sus on top.
Dun, 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 dun. Moment of truth.
And silence.
Oh shit.
That's nothing. That's fine.
Shit.
That's supposed to be like that.
Oh no, that's copper.
It's
on
just
it.
shaving.
That's rod bearing. It's rod bearing.
Can you guys turn the engine?
I think there's a bolt missing right there.
Where do you want to put the? There's a bolt right
There
there.
is a bolt missing.
That's a bolt missing right there.
There's no way that came out on its own.
Where? Oh,
Right there.
Oh, it's right there.
It's been rebuilt before? It fell out.
It fell out.
There's no way. It just jiggled out?
That's what fell.
Bro.
Yeah, that's the sound.
Yeah.
There was 2 sounds. And
If it was just that, that's fine.
Look
Is that the only one?
Yeah.
Arm is trying to suss
Look.
it down.
Yeah. Look at it. It's been banged around.
So how do you clean this?
Hey, we gotta pull
The head of the bolt is gone too.
We gotta pull the things
That's-
out, the
that's-
pistons out to see the sleeves.
That appears to be the problem right there. You see that?
Where?
Where's the other half? There's no butterfly. Yeah, the
Let's
ECU
just-
might sit on it. It's gonna cause problems
Well,
later
in
on.
case you cut. No.
Well, boys. Let's flip it, see what falls out.
Okay.
Chocolate.
There it is.
There's another bolt.
Okay.
So we found this in the engine. We're gonna keep it so we can hopefully glue it back together at the end. This was also in the engine. We found this. I
The rod rope or the
Taking the rods out right
don't know where it came from. Maybe someone was trying to rebuild the engine. And that's where this came from. So as you can see, there's buildup all along this area here. We found metal shavings in here. Paparazzi, bro. Look at this guy.
Anything else you want to add on? Whose camera?
Let's add on how dirty this is. Not maintenance at all.
Better than the GoPro?
No one ever maintenance. Look at this. And everybody always remember: defend Armenia, defend Artsakh. What do we got here? Let's read off the names. You said, oh, look at that. There's KHL Construction on here. Wow. Wow. There's Ars Construction, High Class Towing, Express Truck Services. Look at that. Would you look at that? Looks like we have Mohed and Nadik doing something on the phone.
Nothing.
Who is that? Who is that? Is this the imposter?
He's the one that cries the most.
That's kind of sus, man. Let's grab it.
We got a picture.
Yes, pin. We're good.
Would you learn it, Haj? Well, I guess there should not be bolts if you have this, there should not be bolts and motors.
Get a bag, harmonic balancer bolts.
Get a f***ing bag. Oh.
Don't yell at him.
Don't cuss, man. Here, let's see. What are we doing here? We're labeling the bags. What was it called? Harmonic?
Balancer bolts.
Harmonic balancer bolts.
Bubonic flavor.
Harmonica.
Harmonic. I don't even know what that shit means.
I think that's what it is.
Harmonic.
else fell.
Another bolt.
Oh, this is that.
That's the thing. That's the line.
That's
the oil line.
Oh, that's the one that broke off. Let me see. We'll glue this back later. Look at this. That's a cool find, man. Hold up. We're gonna connect the dots pretty soon. We're almost getting the whole engine put together.
Playing Tetris over there.
Birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, on.
Congrats, your engine's
Thank you. I think he's on the phone, my mom.
Oh shit. Let's check out the car. What year was this? I think it's like a 2016, 15, 14 Mercedes C300 AMG package.
Alright guys,
Now lower.
this
I love that fucking video.
is what we found in the engine. Where's that other piece? This is a rod bolt
Oh, I put it
which
back in
broke
the engine.
off and it was playing around in the engine. So now we're just gonna strip apart the entire engine. Yep, this thing's gotta come completely apart. So just gonna set it up on time lapse and take everything apart.
I ran to the store.
You go with my shoes?
Shit, look at
Get the camera.
This right here is probably like 30
Look at the
miles,
sludge,
miles
bro.
of just. Somebody called the
Oh,
ambulance.
this is more.
Bro, look at this.
Look at that.
Well, they did not change this oil.
What the?
This is why you change your oil, people.
Bro.
This sludge.
This is the worst sludge I've ever seen.
Well,
I've never
that-
seen anything
To
like
be honest,
this.
that actually looks kind of good.
You want to
It's
eat
like
it, Josh?
chocolate.
You want chocolate?
Bro. You think
What?
it's due for an oil change?
I think it's good for about a couple more thousand miles.
What are they selling? Chocolate. So far, this is where we've gotten. Tore down a lot of the engine. The oil pump is finally off also. Next, we're working on removing the timing chain and the cams out of here so we can work on getting the head off of here also. Have you guys ever seen an engine with this much sludge? Look at this sludge. That's all from old oil. I've never seen anything like this before. Disgusting. Change your oil, people. Change your oil. Alrighty, guys. We just got the head off. It's actually sitting all the way over there. It looks pretty clean. All the cylinder walls are clean. Pistons look good. They don't really have much caking on them. There's no cracks on the block. We checked the head. There's nothing on the head. But yeah, it's gonna need all new timing chain guides, timing chain,
New motor.
new motor, all that stuff. That just lowered compression. TO. GS. Our initials are on there. Forever. It will live with you. It will be you. We will continue this tomorrow. Good night. Say good night, Greg.
Good night.
Go f yourself. Alright, boys, it's the next day. We're gonna take the crank out today, so. Hey.
DQ?
Did you get that in the video?
Oh, yeah.
It's going. Keep going.
You worked that pipe.
Uh huh. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's how you jack the car up.
I generally wouldn't allow them.
Generally?
Generally. I wouldn't want
Wait,
to.
did you just assume my gender?
Yes.
Do you identify as genital?
Where is it spicy?
Change your rod bearings, people. If you have S54s, change your rod bearings.
Or
Any
S65s.
S65s
And what's the V10?
and S85s. Shut the f up.
Alright, Greg, this is how we know you watched tons of this. If you don't comment, you didn't watch the video.
Shout out Robert for my favorite Red Bull. Thank you, Robbie.
Daddy supplies.
Daddy supplies. Awesome.
Where are we at
Alright,
with this shit?
we got the entire block torn down. Spin it from your arm. Give me a little 360.
Any damage? Sleeves?
No, perfect.
So far, there's no damage. No damage to the cylinder walls. Everything looks good. Flip it back over. There's actually small oil squirters that go right here. One of them was damaged. That's about it. Crank and pistons are right here. Pistons are perfectly fine. One of the rods is actually messed up, so we're gonna have to get new rods. Maybe get new pistons, but we don't know yet. It's gonna need all new bearings all around. All new seals, the entire engine. The head is right here, so basically everything needs to get cleaned. New rods, maybe pistons, new bearings, and then we're gonna slap this thing back together. So that's gonna be it for this video. This is part 3, I think, of the build. Say bye, stupid. I don't even know what's gonna be the next part. Probably getting all the parts cleaned or taking it to the machine shop. Maybe getting a hot tank. Getting the car cleaned, clean the engine bay. That'll be the next video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and I'll see you guys later.
Time.
Bye. Have a great time.
You see that?
Peace
Something
out,
like
guys.
that?